Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the intriguing world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your knowledge, this video is for you. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, each with their unique features. Let's take a closer look at how cryptocurrencies came to be and why they're so revolutionary. Did you know that the idea of a digital currency dates back to the 1980s? However, it wasn't until 2009 that Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was created by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, the world of cryptocurrency has grown exponentially. Cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manage and record transactions. But what does that mean? Let's break it down. Blockchain is the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies. It's a type of distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. But why is it so important, and how does it contribute to the security and transparency of cryptocurrencies? Buying cryptocurrency is a straightforward process. You'll need to set up an account on a cryptocurrency exchange. Then you can use traditional money to buy cryptocurrencies. Let's walk through the process step by step. Like any investment, cryptocurrencies come with their risks and rewards. It's important to do your research and understand what you're investing in. Let's discuss some of the potential risks and rewards of investing in cryptocurrencies. That's a wrap on our comprehensive guide to cryptocurrency. Remember, always do your research and invest wisely. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.